Welcome guys to our channel. Today we are going to see one more product of Patanjali. Let's get little information about Patanjali. Patanjali Ayurveda is an Indian consumer goods company. The company manufactures mineral and herbal products. It has wide variety of skincare, hair care, Ayurvedic medicines, natural food products, herbal home care, and so on. Let's start with the review. The name of the product is Patanjali Dant Kanti Manjan. This product is matchless formula of 25 priceless herbs. On the front part of this package, you will able to see arjun, haldi, clove, amla, cinnamon stick, pudina, long pepper, and so on. On the right side of the package, they have given manufacturer's name, and in the small box they have given to keep container tightly closed after use. On the left side of the package, they have given manufacturer's license number, net weight of the product, that is 100 gram, and for rate of the product we have to see at the bottom. The cost of this product is ₹90. Manufacturing date is May 2019. This product is best before 18 months from the date of manufacturing. You can use this Manjan if you have bad breath, bleeding gums, toothache, or any other tooth problem. You have to use this Manjan as a substitute of toothpaste. For better result, you have to use it with the help of fingertips. You will be able to purchase the Dant Kanti Manjan at nearby Patanjali store, and even I have mentioned the purchase link in the description box below. Now I am going to tell you benefits of few herbs. If you want to know detailed description of each herb, then I have given down in the description box below. Neem. Neem is the best kept secret of ancient India. Neem bark and leaf extract is used in preventing cavities and gum diseases. Neem is a remedy for tooth decay, oral infections, preventing bleeding, and sore gums. If you want strong teeth, then I recommend you just chew neem bark. It not only fights dental disease, but it can prevent cavity as well, which is one of the common dental problems which Indians are facing today. Long. Long helps in fighting germs and useful in gingivitis. It has germicidal properties and a compound called eugenol, which fights dental pain, tooth aches, sore gums, and mouth ulcers very effectively. Haldi. Haldi is well known anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial herb, making it useful for home dental care. Curcumin in haldi can prevent gum diseases. It helps to remove plaque, bacteria, and inflammation with traditional mouthwashes when used properly. Adrak is also called ginger. It helps to prevent cavities and remove plaque. It can strengthen the gum tissues around your teeth. It has naturally anti-inflammatory properties which lowers the risk of oral diseases. Kali Mirch. Kali Mirch is also called as black pepper. It plays a crucial role in promoting digestion. It relieves gas. It is used to treat teeth and gum problems. Its pungent flavor causes the mucus in the nose and throat to be released. Now let's open the product. This is how the Dant Manjan looks like. Ayurvedic medicines which are used in this Manjan are effective for skin as well as overall health. When you are going to start using this product, you are really going to feel the freshness in your mouth. After the first use of this Manjan, you are going to feel sensitivity, but after 2 days, it will become normal. This is one of the best products of Patanjali, which I feel every Indian household must have if you want strong, healthy teeth. Do give a try for a month, but I'm damn sure you are going to stick for this product for lifetime. So, this was the review of Patanjali Dant Kanti Manjan. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit like button and do share it with your friends.